morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, Ginger and Spice and Everything Nice. Today is Thursday 4th of March 2021 and we are currently on the ferry to Bellagio. The return ticket for two people is €18.40, so it's €9.20 per person for return ticket. And the crossover is just about, I think, 10 minutes. It's quite a short fare, quite a short distance, so yeah, like that. Guys, let me show you a little bit of the ferry that we are using right now. It's the slow ferry. There are two types of ferries, the fast ferry and the slow ferry. And no, I'm not talking about ferries because they don't exist, I think, or they do, I don't know. Alright, let me show you around. So this is a view from the ferry. In there you see the town that we left from, Caranaba. I'm very likely saying it completely wrong. Don't worry, I'll put the name of the town in the description below. There we go, look at those beautiful mountains. In the background, the Alps. I think that's Switzerland over there in the middle on the back. And there we have the other side. In the far distance you see some cute little towns, and right there coming up is Bellagio. Look at that beautiful town. Alright, now let me show you a little bit of the ferry. This is a passenger deck on the second floor. There's also an inside. Over there the passenger's room. Over here you go down. I will show you later. Just like that, walking across the open deck. It's still early March, so it's quite chilly, especially on the water. But it's also still early. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. There we go. Beautiful Bellagio coming up. They call it the Pearl of Lake Como, and I can understand why. What do you think? Do you think that this is worth the title, the Pearl of Lake Como? The Pearl of Lago di Como? Alright guys, we've arrived in Bellagio, as you can see. Just looking around a little bit now. amazing. It's so peaceful here. I love it. The air is nice. It feels. It smells crispy. Really nice. The sun is still climbing up to its top point, gathering its strength. Meantime, we're also looking for a special and very famous alley, small street, which is going up the hill. So far, nothing yet. Let's see there. Let's show you guys what we mean with these alleys. Alright, look at that. So cool. Really, really cool. This is what makes Bellagio so famous, I suppose. Really awesome. Alright, let's move on. And did you find it?
I want a nice street over there.
Alright.
Nice stair, so beautiful.
Really?
There's the stair with the most picturesque that you usually see in Instagram and Google about Bellagio.
With the flowers?
Yeah.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, here.
Ah, let's have a look. Show you guys what we mean. The Salita Mela, it's called. Yeah, this is it. Hey guys, so we're in the most famous street of all of Bellagio, and as you can see behind me, it's empty. Absolutely empty. It's wonderful. We've been already walking in this street, taking photos, looking at the window shops for about 10-15 minutes, and every now and then there's just a local coming up, coming down, and that's it. No tourists, just us. I love it. And as you can see also, it's very beautiful. I can understand why this is the most beautiful street in Bellagio. And yeah, there are some wine shops here. There's a gelato place, a gelateria down the street. Restaurante, trattorias up there. It's wonderful. This is really Italy at its best, I believe. Right now we're standing in the wine shop, just looking at the local wines that they have. And I see that they also do with FedEx, so they ship wines all over the world if you want to. Wonderful, really amazing. And we have it all to ourselves. This is, I think, the most amazing part of it. We have this entire street to ourselves and some locals. Wonderful. Alright, have a look around. If you have the opportunity to come to Lake Como, you have to visit Bellagio and you have to visit this street. You cannot miss it. Go and see for yourself. It's bellissima. So if you follow this cobbled street up the hill, and then on the end you go left, there's no other way, or right, but in this case you go left, and then you just follow the road, you come to the main square with the church on it, and you keep following that road, and then you go down, you cross some really big villas, crazy. You follow the road, and then you end up at the I believe the most northern tip of this peninsula of Bellagio, and there's a beautiful little park. You can have a look over the lake, the mountains in the background, Varenna on the right, Bellagio on the left. Wow. Look at this stunning view, guys. Oh my god. And there are some villas here. Here, look at this one in front of us on the hill. And that's just the one we can see. We pass several others, and you cannot even see the house from the street. Crazy. And of course I understand completely why they live here. Look at those views. And imagine this in the summer. The views of the mountains, green in the summer. All those little boats on the lake. Over there in the distance, I don't know if you guys can see it. You see on the other side of the lake, you see a little town with a church. That's Varenna. And on the middle of the lake over there is a ferry from Varenna to, I think, Bellagio to here. Alright, let's continue walking down. We're really coming to the tip of this peninsula of Bellagio. Just had to put my face mask on because of a person approaching, walking in the opposite direction, and the law mandates that we then put on our face masks. So of course that's what we do, because we respect the local law, and of course we want to stay safe and keep others safe. Wow, guys, this is it. Here's a little harbor, a little inlet. Look at those mountains. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a beautiful villa up there. Imagine the views they have from their windows, from their terrace. Alright guys, let's continue walking. It's getting a little bit chilly here. Of course, understandable. Still early March. So guys, we reached the tip of the peninsula of Bellagio, and with that we've reached the end of our video for today, for the Bellagio trip. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. If you like this video, please like it. It will make us very happy if you do, and for you it's, I think, a small effort. Just move your mouse pointer a little bit there and then click. Make us very happy. Leaving a comment would make us even more happy. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. This is just the beginning of our channel, which means there's many more videos in the future to come. So please stay tuned.
Ciao.
Ciao.